Today, we would like to introduce our low-profile floor scale, which is the thinnest floor scale in the industry. To embed the scale was the only option to minimize the step. However, digging into the ground to embed the scale is too expensive.
So we handle this problem.
ND-4LIIIA is the thinnest floor scale in the industry.
So we have two key points of ND-4LIIIA.
Point 1. Easy loading with the thinnest structure in the scale industry.
With the remarkable thinness, loading becomes easier.
The height is as low as only 23 millimeters.
You can install it anywhere because it doesn't require digging into the ground.
Point 2. Wide varieties of customization.
We have two options of material, a standard steel and a stainless steel, which is highly corrosion resistant. 4L3A can be customized not only size but also maximum capacity and readability.
It also can be moved with the caster option.
For those who want to move the scale more easily.
With the hammer lock option, you can lift the scale and easily place the casters because the scale is raised off the ground. Besides, by touching the handle option, you can move it more easily and weigh things anywhere. It's not just thin, it meets your measuring needs. That's the 4L3A for you.